How's it going, everyone? It is Andre Williams, and you know what time it is. It is time for the joke of the day. If you're new to this channel, the reason why we do this, maybe you had a long, maybe you had a stressful day, or maybe it was the current conditions in the market, so you want to come here to watch this video, plus hear one of my corny jokes. So here it comes. A cop pulled me over and said papers. I yelled scissors and drove off. Come on. That had to be a good one, right? So we're going to be doing an update on ChargePoint. As you know, it has been on quite the run. And when I told you guys to buy this play when it was $20, it's crazy to see actually where it is right now. But also not surprising considering Joe Biden's infrastructure plan. So what I'm going to be doing in this video, we're actually going to be doing a technical analysis because I'm getting a lot of questions. People are asking me like, Dre, I want to get in on this run up. I do see the long-term potential in ChargePoint finally, like you were talking about. So what is a good price to get into, or what are some areas in regards to swing trade opportunities? So I'm going to be covering that in this video. And then afterwards, I'm going to be giving you guys an update for the portfolio for the 5K challenge. So let's get into it. So we're going to be doing an update on the portfolio for the 5K challenge, showing you guys what has been going down. So in regards to how we are looking, so currently we have 35 warrants for ACIC. As you can see, the price has gone down dramatically. SPACs have been getting beaten up. Overall value is $64.75, so we are down $13.95. We also got Forest Road acquisition. You guys already know I have my max here at 60. I am not buying anymore, but it's gotten down to as low as $2.80, and right now we're currently down $14.56. Ring Energy, we have that there, 18. Currently, it's up $15.69. As far as for SFTW, so that's going to be bringing Black Sky Public. We have 50 warrants for that, and it's gotten down to as low as $1.66. I will not be adding more because, like I was saying, I already have 50. Market value is $83, and we are down $21.25. And like I said previously in the last video for SOS and so forth, I bought a call for April the 16th at $5. I only bought one contract. When I bought it, it was 55 bucks. Now it is at $42. That's the market value, and we are down $13 in that one as well. I have high conviction on this one. I'm definitely wanting to see SOS get past that $5 area, especially sometime in the middle of April or before expiration. One thing I like about this, I also did notice today I was up as much as almost $15 on the day, but of course I'm not selling because, hey, I'm not going to just buy this option just for small profits like those. And on top of that, as far as the commission, it's $8 when you buy it, and I think it's like another $8 when you sell it. So that's like about 16 bucks. So that's part of the reasons why we got to be able to make sure that we can cover that commission at least before actually selling this option, right? So that's something to always take into consideration. So overall, in general, there were no orders today. As you can see, no executions. If we take a look at the overall balances, currently cash balance, we have $387.73. And then in regards to the market value, this is pretty much what we have in equities. This is $400.25 in total. And in regards to total equity, so that's taken in cash and as well as the stocks, we're at $788.98, which I told you guys I put money in the account because this amount should end up be going down because they're going to be taking out their monthly fee, I think, on Monday. But you guys will be updated, of course. So the maintenance access fee, as you can see right here, it's at $408.52. And like what I was saying before, if this ever gets down to zero or it starts being negative, this is when you usually get a margin call. And as far as buying power is concerned, we have $1,360.38. So this is because it's a margin account, so you can buy a little bit more. And as far as for the profit loss, this is open. So what this means, this is the paper loss. Currently, it's at $47.07. So if it was in close, that means I would have been selling at a loss. But of course, I'm not selling any of my positions because, like I said, I know these will all turn green, especially for the warrants and especially for this contract for SOS. I definitely do see it getting to at least $6 by mid-April. Okay, hope you guys found this update helpful. And just to show you guys very quickly, that's pretty much what it's looking like in regards to asset allocation. This amount that you see right here, of course, this is in Canadian dollars. Everything is in Canadian dollars here. So right now, options are taking up 5.32% of the portfolio. Pretty much the money we have in equities is taking up 5.59%. Rights and warrants, it's still fairly high at almost 40%. And as far as cash, we're at almost 50%. So definitely looking forward to see what happens next week and see if there's any more opportunities, especially for options as well. I also bought some options in the account that I do the 10K challenge in, where I'm going to go from 1K to 10K. But I'll give you guys further updates on that one on social media as well. All right, so we're going to be doing a technical analysis on ChargePoint. So we ended up seeing a high of the day at $30.82, and we ended up seeing a low of the day at $27.41. Now, overall on the day, it was up 11.76%. Which is really good. We're seeing some big gains, especially after the news that dropped yesterday. So if we take a look, we can see automatically we definitely have some strong support here right at that $28 level. So $28, if you're looking for a pullback, might be a great opportunity to take advantage of. The next area that we need to take a look at in regards to resistance, and especially during regular trading hours, is this area right here at $29.50. So we have $29.50 being an area of resistance, and we also have this area of support right here at $20. So that's something to keep on your radar if you're thinking about adding. So if we take a look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart, like we said before, ChargePoint has definitely been on a very strong run up, staying above the 21-day EMA, especially for the last 5 trading days. And I told you guys about getting into ChargePoint since it was one of the beaten down stocks when it was back here at $20. So I'm just hoping that a lot of you had the opportunity to add and you're enjoying the gains that you're seeing right now. So let's take a look at the 3-month 1-day chart and see where this could actually possibly end up come next week. So if we take a look at the 3-month 1-day chart for ChargePoint, like I was saying before previously, way back since last week, $20 was a buying opportunity anywhere within this range. So while we take a look at the 3-month 1-day chart, as you can see, since currently right now and after hours it's at $30.50, we're getting very close into getting back into the range of this 50-day simple moving average. So once we're able to reclaim this particular area, then you could definitely look forward to seeing a strong movement getting all the way up to the 100-day and touching the $33 area. Yes, I am telling you this, and there's a possibility that this could happen sometime next week or the week after. But always make sure that you are aware of where the support areas were, and like we were talking about, it definitely has a tendency to pull back into the $28 range. So this could be an opportunity for you to add, or if you want to be a part of the run-up. Now, if it pulls back even further, definitely look out for anywhere in that $27 range where it visited today. So for my final thoughts on ChargePoint, like I said, I have a long-term outlook with this stock. If you would have got in the $20 range when I first spoke about it on this channel, you would be up big right now. But also, since I do believe in this company long-term, I do not plan on selling anytime soon. That's just to give you guys a quick little update. Also, I want to put in the disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice. So just know when you do invest, you're doing it at your own risk. In regards to the 5K challenge, hope you guys found that update video helpful. And as you can see, most recently I ended up buying an option on SOS that expires on April the 16th. And this is a $5 call. So what I'm looking for is SOS to get to at least $5.50 or $6 before the middle of April. So what I'm looking for, I want that to happen sometime next week. One of the things to realize also with this particular option in regards to fees, I'm paying a total of $16. So I need to make sure I make it a profit of at least $16 on the option before I even think about selling it. I was up today, but I was like, you know what? That is not worth it, just in regards to the fact that I want to be able to cover the commission. Because if you can't cover the commission, then the trade is not worth it in the first place. Now for the update for the 10K challenge. So the portfolio, and to explain how it's going down, we're starting off with $1,000, and I'll be putting money in it periodically every month, just like I do for the 5K challenge. I want to keep these two things separately, so when I do the updates, one of them will be in a YouTube post, which most likely will be for the 10K challenge. So what that means is, if you guys want to get the real-time updates, or even if you want to ask me questions or talk about entry or exit positions and get real-time access to me, then I have a Discord community that you guys can join. That's part of the reasons why I created it. So if you're interested, it'll be great to have you in it. Like I said, I want to build a community of investors and swing traders who are making money in the market and not losing money. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and we'll talk soon.